Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. It is 12:22 and 34 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, atherosclerosis. So let's come to it here. Red blood cell particles reduce fat deposition in arteries, potentially treating atherosclerosis. Nano-sized particles released by red blood cells reduce inflammation and fat deposition in immune cells, potentially paving the way for new methods of treating atherosclerosis. Date August 10, 2023. Source: National University of Singapore. As commonly referred to as first responders to infections, macrophages are immune cells which detect and clear pathogens and dead cells and secrete molecules to activate other immune cells. And to understand what happens to macrophages that are exposed to a high amount of RBCEVs and whether they prove to be beneficial in treating atherosclerosis, a multi-institutional team animated the mechanisms of how RBCEVs are internalized by macrophages and analyzed the consequent changes. The study demonstrated that the uptake of RBCEVs by macrophages was highly efficient as the particles induced multiple changes in the macrophages. As following exposure to RBCEVs, the macrophages had decreased levels of proteins that promote inflammation, suggesting the potential use of RBCEVs to alleviate conditions associated with excessive inflammation. The macrophages also produced higher levels of an enzyme which protects cells against oxidative damage, commonly observed in inflammatory and cardiovascular disease. In addition, the RBCEVs led to higher resistance to lipid uptake in the macrophages, reducing fat deposition, which characterizes the condition of atherosclerosis. They have known for a while that RBCEVs tend to go to macrophages when they enter the body, but they did not realize some of the implications until now. The properties of RBCEVs that they have uncovered here are desirable for treating atherosclerosis and possibly other inflammatory diseases. The team hopes to leverage their improved understanding to manipulate RBCEV uptake by macrophages and thus adjust the distribution of RBCEVs to different tissues in the body. The team also plans to further explore the therapeutic potential of RBCEVs by combining their natural beneficial properties with exogenously loaded drugs designed to treat inflammatory conditions. These plans are part of the expansion of their ongoing work on developing the RBCEV platform for the treatment of various diseases, including cancer, cancer-associated muscle loss, and COVID-19. Atherosclerosis causes heart disease and stroke, affecting billions of people. This discovery by the team is paving the way towards exciting new therapeutic strategies that can have a real impact on healthcare. We can now start looking into the use of very tiny particles made from our own red blood cells to treat atherosclerosis and potentially other diseases. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoy listening. Until next time, have a great day.